20th here in Ontario. Currently 2 degrees. And this is what it looks like. Doesn't look like we're going to be doing too much on our project today. Oh well. Tomorrow's another day. Thanks, Mother Nature.
Does it ever smell like Tina rolling poop or something?
Tina,
The heck?
what were you into?
Wow.
Love that.
Anyways, we're headed to our trailer to get some, down at our lot to get some, the lumber we planed for our trailer project. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? We'd go to the lot and get some wood for our trailers when we do some of the beautiful plain lumber we made.
Last fall we had a whole bunch of lumber milled on our lot that we're able to get
A
played
bunch of
down.
lumber sawed, not milled.
Sawed.
Like,
Sawed or milled?
there's a big difference. There's a lumber mill. We didn't have anything milled. We had a million feet of board.
We had wood milled from our lot that we're going to use to stop wood that we're going to grab today. We're going to use to repair the bunk at the front because it was completely rotten.
Repick the bunk?
Huh?
Repick the bunk?
Redid the bunk. We're redoing the bunk. You are redoing the bunk with the wood that we got off of our lot that we milled last fall.
Oh yeah, the stuff we sawed out our lot.
So
Yeah.
we're on our way, Tina. You need to have a bath tonight. You're bad.
Trying to pick some lumber out of our pile here to plane it on our planer and our thickness planer and get it ready to make some pieces for our trailer. Here's what we got here.
What kind of wood is it?
Well, this is pine. This is cedar. This is a piece of oak. This is a piece of maple. It's just all assorted pieces that we're going to use to make trims and all kinds of neat little knickknacks for the slide-in camper. We're on our way to do it.
I'm going to take all the door faces off. These. This one. And this one. And James is going to make some new tops for them out of the lumber that we planed down at the lot. Tabletop's all rotten, so I'm going to take the base off of it to save for a new top that James is going to make out of our planed wood. I'll just get rid of this wood has been removed, and we're all ready to put it all back together. Got it all built back up. Do you have any idea what you're doing?
Have no clue. Trying to make some cupboard doors, a little trailer, and hoping for the best in this episode. It's going to be kind of sketchy.
Woodworking skills?
Zero. Anybody can do this. I can do it.
Okay, that's a wrap for today. We got lots done.
Cruising right along.
Cupboard doors. We started some of the cupboard doors.
Yeah, we started some of the cupboard doors. Those are not getting showed to you guys right now at this time. My woodworking skills are pretty minimal. Thanks
You
for
can build a snowmobile engine.
Don't talk like that.
But you can't.
Thanks anyways, guys. We'll see you again real soon. You weren't supposed to say anything.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Can't.
Yeah, you can.
You can't. Nice.
Subscribe and click the button.
What do you want to say?
You say what you gotta say.
We'd love for you to like, subscribe, and follow along.